Good afternoon and welcome to our Next World staff training video. This quick training video will be on how to log into the 5G Verizon portal and where this button is located. So let's get started. Now, in order to log into the 5G Verizon portal, it's very simple. You first have to log into the staff portal for Next World Communication. And once you're there, you navigate to Internet, Phone, and TV category. Very simple. It's right here. Once you click that, you will go inside that category, and the next button you will click on is the Verizon 5G portal, which is pretty simple. And voila, you are there. You simply have your username, password, and you're able to access the 5G Verizon portal. And that is all for this quick training. Thank you. And remember, if you have any question, feel free to talk to your manager, your supervisor, and we're here for you. Have a great day.